In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to see a list of all audio devices that are installed on your Acer laptop, tablet, or traditional desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is select the Start menu, and you want to search for Settings. Best result, should come back to Settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select System on the left panel here. And then on the right side, select Sound. And then scrolling down underneath Advanced, select where it says All Sound Devices. And you should see a list of all output and input devices installed on your system. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.